my third grade. So this is part 2 of this video because it cut me off a little bit. So I'm going to kind of go where I was, okay? Sorry about that. So like I was saying, Mrs. Yokish was saying about, for example, okay, we move sideways from 0 to 0 to the 4, right? So 4, 3, right? We were on 4, 3. So we move over 4 to the right. 4, right? Because it's 4, 3. Oops, where's 4, 3? 4, 3. So we start at 0. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 3 is up, 3 spaces up. 1, 2, 3 lines up, or 3 spaces. And there's our dot, 4, 3. Okay? So, the next one, now if we practice the 3, 7, okay? So starting from the 0, 0, and then we're going to, so I was saying 3, 7, right? So 0, 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3, we move to the right, 3 spaces, and then how many spaces we go up? 7, that's right. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 7. And that's where we're going to put our blue point, our coordinate point there. Okay? And then 8, 5. 8, 5, you'll do it. Okay? So start at 0, 0. And the first number is 8. So we know that the first number we move over to the right. Very good. 8 spaces to the right. And then our second number is 5. So we know that 5 we move up 5 spaces up, right? Up. So we'll go ahead and do that together with 8, 5. Starting at 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go up 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So, pretty easy, right? Pretty simple. That's the only thing that we're learning today. That's it. Just learning how to put the coordinates on the proper dot. The proper place. Okay? Example number 1. Write the coordinates on points A, B, and C on the grid. So, this time they give us the dots, but we have to figure out the parentheses, like the coordinates, okay, the coordinates. So, parentheses, first number, comma, number, parentheses. So, to find the first number of the coordinates, we place our finger on the point, right? And move it. So, we move it straight down until we get to the number on the bottom of the grid. So we should do A first because I think that's the easiest, okay? So if you look at point A, let's see, I think we're here. Yep, point A, you're going to move it down first. So 1, 2. And then we know that the second number would be 2 because we moved it down. And then we're going to move it over to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we moved it over 4, right? And there's another way you can learn it too. So the second way is you can start by 0, 0. And you can go move it over 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that 4 is the first number because we moved it to the right. And then 1, 2. We move 2 up. So the second number would be 2. So our coordinates for A is 4, 2. Okay, so let's do B. B, we're going to start at 0, 0. It looks like B is on 2, right? So we're going to move over 1, 2. So we know that the first number is 2 because we went over to the right 2 times. And then we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We went up 5 times. So then our next number will be 5. So 2, 5. Okay? Let's do one more. Okay, so C. You see that? All right. So it's point 0, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how many times do we go up? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that our answer is 5 because we moved over to the right 5 times. And 4 is the second number because we moved up 4 times. Okay, do you get it? So it's pretty simple. Again, the first number is moving over to the right. The second number, you move up, only upwards. That's it. That's the rule. That's how you know where to go. That's how you know where to find your coordinates. That's how you know how to find the numbers, the coordinates, okay? So I hope that was easy. Hopefully it wasn't too hard. If it is a little bit hard, just keep practicing. If you have grid paper at home, try to have your parents or siblings put a point, and then maybe you can find it, okay? Have them number it. Have the numbers on the side and then on the bottom there. But we're gonna do another example, okay? So let's go to example 2, and hopefully it'll get a little bit easier. So example 2 says, name the letter of the point that has these coordinates. Now we have to name that letter. So that's kind of exciting. I like that one because that's kind of fun because you get to find it, right? So A says parentheses 6, 3 parentheses. So 6, 3. So first of all, that first number does what? That's right. It tells us where to move, to the left or to the right. Good. It's moving over to the right. So 6, 3. So 6 is the first number. So 6, we move over to the right. That's correct, okay? So let's see, 6, 3. So 6, move over to the right. And let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, so make sure we're paying attention. Starting at 0, 0. Okay? All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it's 3. Let's go up 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so our point is R. That's right. So our answer for A is R. Point R. So you would say point R. Okay? Point R. Now, how about for B? 2, 4. 2, 4. So 2, we would move over to the right. Okay. Whoops. Where? Oh, right here. We're right here. Okay. Move over to the right 2 times. 1, 2. And then we move up how many times? 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so our point is P. Very good. Okay. So we have the point P would be our answer to find those coordinates. So it's really easy. Okay. All you do is move over to the right first, and then the second number you just move up. That's all you do to find your answers. That's the simplest I can put it. Again, if you have questions, if you don't understand it, just keep practicing. Lesson practice, you have some practice, you can do that. Have your parents check your lesson practice just so you understand. I want you to understand this concept, okay? Because I think it's a fun thing to learn. And so I hope you guys, if you do learn it, enjoy it. And so don't forget to do your mental math problem solving. Also your division facts, I would say get time 2.5 minutes. If you're faster than that, then good, perfect. That means you're doing better. And so I think that is all, okay? All right, you guys have a good day. Miss you guys, and I will see you guys soon.